Oh! Hey, Noah here with Full Balance Fitness, and here are my top 4 exercises to burn fat. The first exercise we'll do for fat burning will be burpees. A lot of you might have seen this coming, but with burpees, there's an easier way to do it, or a regressed version, or a harder way, a progressed version. Let's go over both. The harder one would be like this. Go out, go down, come up, and power up like that. The simpler version would be just a lighter version. Whichever way works best for you, make sure you push yourself a little bit with these, and this is a great one. Next up, squat with knee to elbow. You can go really fast or really slow with these, whichever works best for you. The faster you go, the higher your heart rate, and therefore the higher the calories you burn might be. But you want to go down, power up, just like that. And then if you're trying to go faster, you could just squat partially, power right up into it. And that's how you do it. V-ups are gonna, oh, what we got going on here? Oh, hey, what's up, Henry? Hey, boy, there you go. All right, V-ups are going to be amazing for that ab contraction and that ab stretch. So you wanna start with your legs out, power up, come right back down. A regressed version would be knees bent, arms bent, come up, come down. The final exercise here is one of the best if you're really trying to burn a lot of calories and really just wake up your body. My dad actually lost almost 60 pounds by doing this 20 minutes a day. It's up to you how long you do it, but this would be stepper. So you just wanna jog just like this. And so what you're gonna find is as you do this, you can go faster or slower. You could do HIIT training where you do high intensity interval training where you go slow for a couple minutes and then you start to pick it up. It's up to you, but keep in mind this is going to be a lot more beneficial than walking in a straight line where your legs move as if they're scissors. And it's really going to give you the chance to get that oomph and burn a lot of calories in the moment. A couple final points I'd like to make for you today, friend, would be that doing these exercises does not magically burn fat off of certain areas of your body. A V-up is going to be no more beneficial in burning stubborn belly fat than doing a squat or an arm curl, for example. But doing these movements briskly should get you into that fat burning zone, which is going to be roughly 60 or 70% of your MHR or your max heart rate. Please make sure that you do these things regularly if you're looking to burn a lot of calories and increase your energy. And I appreciate your time today. God bless.